I welcome to all at MPS coaching classes. My name is Manpreet Sharma. So today in this video we will discuss most important MCQs of lesson number 3 history nationalism in India. So question number 1, why was सत्याग्रह organized in Champaran in 1916? तो सबसे पहले तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए that सत्याग्रह this was a technique introduced by Gandhi ji after returning from South Africa in January 1915. In Champaran, this place is in Bihar. So Mahatma Gandhi organized his first satyagraha in India in Champaran in 1916 to oppose the plantation system which was introduced by British government. Question number 2, why did Gandhi ji organize satyagraha in 1917 in Khera district of Gujarat? So in 1916, as we have discussed, he introduced his first satyagraha in Champaran. After that, Mahatma Gandhi introduced the same technique in satyagraha in 1917 in Khera district of Gujarat to protest against the high revenue demands raised by colonial government. Question number 3. In third, we have to mention why Mahatma Gandhi organized सत्याग्रह in 1918 in Ahmedabad. तो महात्मा गांधी ने खेड़ा के बाद अहमदाबाद में सत्याग्रह किया to support the demands which was raised by mill workers. So answer for question number 3 is C. Then question number 4, why was the Simon Commission sent to India? तो सबसे पहले तो हम डिस्कस करते हैं साइमन कमीशन इंडिया आए कब थे. साइमन कमीशन इंडिया आए थे इन 1928 and when Simon Commission came to India, then we were welcomed Simon Commission with the slogans of go back Simon. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं भी इसका मेन पर्पस क्या था साइमन कमीशन का टू इंडिया. तो इंडिया में साइमन कमीशन आए थे टू लुक इनटू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मैटर्स एंड सुजेस्ट रिफॉर्म्स. सो ए आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, why was Alluri Sitaram Raju well known? So Alluri Sitaram Raju, he was the leader of a militant movement of tribal peasant in Andhra Pradesh. तो अल्लूरी सीताराम राजू ने आंध्र प्रदेश में ट्राइबल पीजेंट्स की एक मिलिटेंट मूवमेंट को लीड किया था. फॉर दिस रीजन ही इज वेल नोन. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाई डिड जनरल डायर ओपन फायर ऑन पीसफुल क्राउड इन जलियांवाला बाग? मार्क द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. तो इसमें हमें बताना है भी जनरल डायर ने जलियांवाला बाग में बहुत सारे लोगों पर ओपन फायर क्यों कर दिया था. ओपन फायर मीन्स मार देना या फिर गोलियां चलाना. सो दिस इंसिडेंट वाज हैपेंड इन 13 अप्रैल 1919 on the day of Baisakhi, and later he revealed that to create a feeling of terror means fear or डर in the minds of Indian, General Dyer opened fire on peaceful crowd in Jallianwala Bagh. For question number 6, our answer is going to be C. Then question number 7, what kind of movement was launched by the tribal peasants of Gudian Hills in Andhra Pradesh? So this movement was led by Alluri Sitaram Raju, and in this movement there will be a sudden attack on the army of enemy, then the attacker will be hide somewhere else after attacking the army. So this movement is known as a militant guerrilla movement. It is also known as hit and run movement. Question number 10, who among the following two leaders led the Khilafat movement? So Khilafat movement also known as Indian Muslim movement. So this movement led in 1919 after the end of World War I, and this movement was led by Ali brothers, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. For question number 8, our answer is going to be A, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Then question number 9, why did Gandhi ji withdraw the non-corporation movement? So Mahatma Gandhi withdraw non-corporation movement because of Chora Chori incident. So at Chora Chori, what happened that Mahatma Gandhi followers, they set on fire a police station as well as killed a number of policemen. But in the option we are not getting Chora Chori. So in option we have to mark the B, because in B Gandhi felt that movement was turning violent in many places. तो महात्मा गांधी को ऐसा लगा था कि जो उनकी नॉन कॉरपोरेशन मूवमेंट है वो वायलेंट हो चुकी है बहुत सारे प्लेसेस पर, इसलिए उन्होंने मूवमेंट को विड्रॉ और स्टॉप कर दिया था. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, हु वर द Samithians? Samithians, these were the high caste Hindus which was having great influence in the working of Congress. Then question number 11th, the main problem with Simon Commission was that, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया साइमन कमीशन इंडिया आए थे इन 1928 टू चेक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोग्रेस इन इंडिया एज वेल एज टू इंट्रोड्यूस रिफॉर्म. लेकिन साइमन कमीशन की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी दैट इट वाज ऑल ब्रिटिश कमीशन. इसका मतलब है इसमें जितने भी ऑफिशियल थे वो सारे ब्रिटिश थे. नो इंडियन वाज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन साइमन कमीशन. दैट्स वाई वी वर वेलकम साइमन with the slogan of go back Simon. Question number 12, Hind Swaraj was written by, so Hind Swaraj, this is a book which written by Mahatma Gandhi. So in this book Mahatma Gandhi explain how British Empire is sustaining in India. In the same book Mahatma Gandhi also explained his noble method of fight that is called Satyagraha. Then question number 13, why did the Indian oppose Royal Act? So a Royal Act, this was an act which introduced in 1919 and this act was giving immense power. Immense means बहुत ज़्यादा powers दे रहा था ब्रिटिश को that they can arrest anybody and detain a person without trial for at least 2 years. Trial means सपोज करो किसी को अरेस्ट कर लिया है पुलिस ने, तो आफ्टर अरेस्ट व्हाट विल हैपन दैट ही और शी विल बी प्रेजेंटेड बिफोर द मैजिस्ट्रेट. देन देयर ऑल द आर्ग्यूमेंट्स विल बी देयर दैट ईदर द पर्सन इज गिल्टी और नॉट. बट आफ्टर पासिंग रॉयल एक्ट दिस प्रोसीजर ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स विल बी वैनिश और विल नॉट बी हैपन. सो अगेंस्ट दिस महात्मा गांधी इंट्रोड्यूस सत्याग्रह that we will discuss later on. So question number 14, due to the effect of non-corporation movement on the plantation workers in Assam, they, it means जब महात्मा गांधी ने नॉन कॉरपोरेशन मूवमेंट स्टार्ट की तो उस मूवमेंट का प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स इन असम पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा. सो आफ्टर लॉन्चिंग द नॉन कॉरपोरेशन मूवमेंट the plantation worker they left the plantation area and headed to their home. इन्होंने अपना प्लांटेशन का एरिया छोड़ दिया और अपने घर को चले गए. बट सो मैनी वर नॉट एबल टू रीच देयर होम बिकॉज ड्यू टू रेलवे स्ट्राइक्स दे वर caught by the police and punished. Question number 15, the resolution of Purna Swaraj was adopted at which session? Purna Swaraj, that means complete independence, or this resolution was passed at Lahore Congress session in 1929. If you like the video then please press the like button and for more updates subscribe my channel.